Welcome to Interview Prep Mode.
With Interview Prep Mode, you get real-time mock interviews, AI-driven feedback, and expert question analysis, all in one place.
I will ask you two unique interview questions based on the Salesforce Solution Architect job description. Before we proceed, can you tell me about yourself, please?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Sammy, a Salesforce solution architect at CareerOnTrack AI, and this is where we leverage AI to empower job seekers, professionals, and career transitioners to navigate to the job market with confidence. So I specialize in Salesforce solutions, particularly in creating and implementing customized system that enhance business processes and also drive customer engagement. Over the years, I've built expertise in Salesforce, specifically in areas like Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Data Cloud, Loyalty Management, and I've also had the privilege of working on complex projects where I've helped organizations integrate Salesforce into their workflows to boost efficiency and enhance like data analytics and also deliver personalized customer experiences. As a
Thank you.
leader, I'm passionate about using Salesforce to create smart, scalable solutions that helps businesses thrive. I also enjoy collaborating with teams to implement best practices and drive measurable results. I believe
Thank-
Salesforce has the power to transform businesses, and I'm excited about its potentials in driving innovations. When I'm not working on Salesforce solutions, I focus on training tech enthusiasts, mentoring others, and also staying up to date with the latest advancements in Salesforce technologies and the AI world as well. So my goal is to continue contributing to the Salesforce ecosystem by developing cutting-edge solutions and helping clients unlock the full potential of their Salesforce investments.
Thank you for sharing that, Sammy. It sounds like you have a strong background and a clear passion for Salesforce and its transformative potential. Now, let's dive into the interview questions. Here's your first question. Question 1. Can you describe a time when you had to design and implement a Salesforce solution that aligned with specific business goals? What was your approach and what were the results? Please take your time to answer fully.
Absolutely. So there was a situation where at a financial services company, the business goal was to improve customer retention by providing personalized experiences. So they struggled with fragmented customer data across multiple systems. So the task, or probably my role, was to design and implement a Salesforce solution to sort of centralize customer insights and enable personalized engagement. And as an action, I designed a solution using Salesforce Customer Data Platform to unify customer data and Marketing Cloud for personalized campaign. And also, I collaborated with stakeholders to map data sources, implemented data transformation using MuleSoft, and also configured Marketing Cloud journeys to target customers with tailored offers. As a result, the solution increased the customer retention by 20% within 6 months and also boosted campaign engagement rates by up to 35%. And by aligning the technology to their goals, the company achieved measurable improvements in customer loyalty and satisfaction.
Great response, Sammy. Now, let's move on to the second question, question 2. How do you ensure that your Salesforce implementations adhere to best practices, and can you provide an example of a time when you had to enforce these standards during a project? Please take your time to answer.
So during a project for a healthcare client, we were implementing, this was a situation, by the way. So we were implementing Salesforce Health Cloud to streamline patient interactions. A developer proposed bypassing validation rules to expedite data entry for a new custom object. As a task, as the solution architect, I was responsible for ensuring the implementation adhered to Salesforce best practices, focusing on scalability, data integrity, and compliance. And the action that I took was I organized a technical review session and explaining how bypassing validation could lead to data inconsistencies and compliance risks. Instead, I suggested using a combination of dynamic forms and validation rules to ensure data quality without compromising user experience. I also
Thank
introduced a coding standard checklist for all development work, and as a result, the revised approach maintained adherence to best practices, ensuring long term scalability and compliance with healthcare regulations. The client reported a 30% improvement in data accuracy and avoided potential rework costs due to inconsistent data.
Thank you for your answers, Sammy. You provided detailed examples that showcase your experience and understanding of Salesforce best practices. Now, I will provide you with feedback on your responses. Are you ready for the feedback?
Yes, I am.
Great. Let's start with your first response. Question 1 feedback, you scored 8 out of 10. Your answer was strong because you clearly outlined the business problem, your approach to designing the solution, and the measurable results achieved. However, you could enhance your response by including more specific details about the challenges faced during implementation and how you overcame them. Question 2 feedback, you scored 9 out of 10. This was an excellent response. You effectively demonstrated your commitment to best practices and provided a clear example of how you enforce standards. The introduction of a coding standard checklist was a great touch. To improve, consider elaborating on how you communicated the importance of these standards to the team. Are you ready for low-score sample answers?
Yes, I am.
Since your scores were quite good, I won't provide low-score sample answers. However, I can give you some brief sample answers that could help you refine your responses further. For question 1, a more effective answer could include in a previous role, I faced challenges with fragmented customer data. I implemented a Salesforce customer data platform to unify this data, which not only improved customer retention by 20%, but also enhanced our marketing strategies. For question 2, you might say when a developer suggested bypassing validation rules, I organized a technical review to emphasize the risks. By introducing dynamic forms, we maintained data integrity and compliance, resulting in a 30% improvement in data accuracy. These examples are concise and focus on the impact of your actions. Are you ready for the response timing feedback?
Yes, please.
Your response timing was generally good, but I noticed that your answers could benefit from a bit more depth. For your first response, it was slightly under 2 minutes. I encourage you to elaborate more on the challenges you faced during the implementation and how you navigated them. Aim for a response that is between 2 to 3 minutes for a more comprehensive answer. Your second response was well timed, but ensure that you maintain that level of detail while also being concise. Are you ready for more detailed feedback?
Yes, please.
Let's highlight your strengths first. Strengths 1. Clarity and structure. Your answers were well structured, making it easy to follow your thought process. You clearly articulated the problem, your actions, and the results. 2. Quantifiable results. You provided specific metrics that demonstrated the impact of your solutions, which is crucial in interviews. Now, for areas of improvement 1. Depth of detail. While your answers were strong, adding more context about the challenges faced during implementation would enhance your responses. This shows your problem-solving skills and resilience. 2. Engagement. Consider using more engaging language to convey your passion for Salesforce and its impact on businesses. This can help create a stronger connection with the interviewer. Overall, you did a fantastic job. If you'd like to refine your answers further, I recommend switching to AI assistance mode for more practice.
Thousands of professionals have boosted their confidence and landed top jobs using CareerOnTrack AI.